Online or offline calibration? What's the real difference and why does it matter? In this video, I'll break it down and show you exactly how they compare. Let's dive in. Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Nick. Today we will talk about offline and online calibration in CANape. The difference is simple. When your measurement and calibration tool is connected to an ECU, this is online calibration. You get direct results out of the ECU on the changed parameters. And RAM and flash parameters are available. If you don't have a connection to the ECU, this is called offline calibration. You work on parameter sets of the ECU. Now let's talk about online calibration. With this method, any changes you make are instantly reflected in the ECU. It also removes the need to store hex files, making the workflow faster and more efficient. But with this convenience come a few trade-offs. Because data is transmitted live, the bus load can increase, especially when working with large datasets or frequent updates. There's also a risk of losing data if the connection to the ECU drops during calibration. And depending on the dataset size, latency may occur, which can impact the responsiveness of the system. But there is a method that works around those issues: mirror memory. A mirror memory is a copy of the ECU memory that CANape uses for calibration. There is no need to read all the data every time from the ECU. As an advantage, this really speeds up the workflow. As you already know, CANape is directly connected to an ECU. Thanks to the mirror memory, you have access to a copy of the ECU memory which you are working on. CANape is constantly verifying the checksums of the ECU and in the mirror memory. And if there are any differences, CANape is performing a synchronization. A big advantage of this method is that you also see relevant parameter values when there is no ECU connection. This method ensures that the ECU and CANape remain perfectly synchronized throughout the process. Most conveniently, calibration can be performed without a connected ECU, offering flexibility in various development scenarios. When we are already talking about calibration without a connected ECU, it's the perfect time to talk about offline calibration. As you know, offline calibration is possible without an ECU connection, which adds flexibility during development and testing. Version handling becomes more straightforward, allowing seamless management of different software and dataset combinations. Additionally, the system supports safe rollback to original values using the reference dataset, ensuring reliability and control. However, these advantages come with a few trade-offs. The setup is more complex compared to direct calibration, which requires additional configuration steps. Moreover, storing multiple dataset files requires additional storage space, which should be considered in environments with limited resources. In summary, both online and offline calibration offer advantages depending on the use case. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each approach allows you to choose the most effective method for your calibration tasks. This ensures accuracy, efficiency, and reliability throughout the development process. Now you know all about offline and online calibration. Please contact us if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this helpful for mastering online and offline calibration in CANape, don't go offline without subscribing to the Vector Tech Tutorial channel. We have many other interesting videos available. If you can't get enough of me, consider yourself lucky. There's another video where I'm in front of the camera. The link is in the description.